Hey guys, your girl Kim, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this look. And if you're interested in seeing this look, just keep watching, girl.
Okay, so this is me with my bare face. Hey guys, yes. I'm gonna start out by priming my face with this e.l.f. primer. And I'm just rubbing it all in. And don't mind me, I'm listening to music, so I'm jamming. Okay, now I'm about to do my eyebrows, and I'm going to use this NYX eyebrow pencil. And right now, I'm just brushing out my brows with a spoolie. Okay, so I'm taking the brow pencil and I'm going to outline my brows very lightly, just for the outline. And I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. And wow, looking at this now, my eyebrows look terrible. It's okay though, I'm about to fix it with this LA Pro Girl Concealer. Wait, I said that wrong. LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I really don't know why I was looking at my lips like that, but don't mind me. So I'm just outlining my brows with the concealer and I'm just cleaning it all up. After I'm done with my concealer, I go in with my Anastasia brow dip and I fill in my brows. Now I'm going in with my beauty blender and blending my concealer out. Now it's time for my eyes, the best part, and I'm going to be using my Mixology palette from Sephora. Okay, so today I decided to do a dark crease, so I'm going to start out with my dark brown color from this palette. After I'm done blending in all the brown, the dark brown color, I'm going to add on with this black color just to give a little definition to the eye. And now I'm taking this blending brush and just blending both of the colors out together. No harsh lines. Alright, now it's time to cut the crease. Going back in with this same concealer and I'm just outlining my crease with the concealer. Alright, so this is how it looks after I cut my crease. Now it's time for the glitter glue. And next, the glitter. And I'm just putting this glitter glue all over the area where I put the concealer. Now it's time for the glitter. And you just place this everywhere that you put the glitter glue. After applying the glitter to both of my eyes, I go in with my makeup white remover and I just clean up all the fallout from the eyeshadow and the glitter. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes before I do the rest of my makeup. Alright, go ahead and apply your mascara before you forget, because I know I always do. Alright, it's time for the foundation. And I use the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. And it's matte. going back in with my concealer, and I'm highlighting the parts of my face that I want highlighted, which is my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, and my forehead, and under my eyes. Time to blend. Blend, blend, blend. Alright, going to contour my face, starting with my nose. And now I'm blending it all out. Now I'm going for my two favorite lip glosses that I got from my local beauty store, and they were only like $2.99 or $3, something like that. Oh, it's the same price, but I'm dumb. But yeah, and these work wonders. Like, girl, get you some lip gloss. And now I'm going in with my Baddie highlighting kit or highlighting palette, whatever. And yeah, I hit it the wrong way, but yep. And I realized that I had too much on that brush, so I had to fix it. I can't go around looking like that, too much highlight. No girl. So I went in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighting kit, my favorite highlighting palette, and I just start fixing that mess that I have on my face. And one thing I forgot, my setting spray. Y'all, don't forget your setting spray. Like, that was the big mistake. I'm glad I didn't go out with this because no. So yeah, don't forget your setting spray and you'll be good to go.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It isn't much, but it's a little something. Before I go ahead, hit the subscribe button, comment, like, turn the post notification bell, and yeah. So I guess we're done here. See you guys next time.